Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by ensuring the essentials are present: Python 3 and pip. Once confirmed, install or upgrade Jupyter with pip 3 install upgrade Jupyter so dependencies are current. Then change directory into your project folder using cd and the path. This determines where notebooks are served. You do this because Jupyter serves files from the working directory. After that, prepare any virtual environment if needed. Creating one keeps packages isolated and reproducible for later runs. You now launch the notebook server. Run Jupyter Notebook to start and auto-open a browser tab. This uses a token for authentication. If you are on a remote machine or prefer no GUI, run Jupyter Notebook no browser and then forward ports or use the token URL manually. To avoid port conflicts, specify port equals your port. 8888 is default. Make sure to note the token printed in the terminal. You'll use it to authenticate if the browser doesn't open automatically. To finish, shut down the server gracefully with Ctrl+C and confirm the shutdown. This frees the port. If a kernel won't start, reinstall or add a kernel spec with Python m ipykernel install user and ensure required packages are installed. Once done, reopen the notebook URL or run Jupyter Notebook list to see active servers and tokens. If things go wrong, a common troubleshooting tip is to check for port conflicts and inspect the terminal logs for missing package errors. They tell you what to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.